Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. And this video, guys, we are putting the spotlight on effective task management using Monday.com in 2024. If you are juggling multiple projects or looking for a platform to streamline your to-dos, you are in the right place. Stay tuned as I show you this incredible application. So let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, using Monday is a very good thing to actually have your task managed. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you everything on how you manage your task and your projects and everything else. So to get started, we need you to go ahead and create an account on Monday.com. So go ahead and create an account. Also, there is plans if you don't want to get like the free plan. There is basic, there is standard, and the pro plan. You can get whatever you want from these. For now, I'm just using the basic free plan. So as you can see here, these are all for seats, so you can get 19 per seat per month, so it's up to you basically. So 19 euros per seat. Here we have, for example, 10 seats, here 100 seats, so depends on how many seats you want. And the seats are basically how many people you can invite to your project or to your workspace, so you can give to each one of your members a specific task. Now, after we bought our plan, we have to actually create a workspace. So here I'm going to click right here and click on add workspace, and here I'm going to type task management. So this is basically the workspace that we are going to work in. Here we will find all the members, and basically for now what I'm gonna do is to simply create some boards. So let's click here, and here I'm going to click on here. So new board, or you can choose from the template. So they have to do template, start from scratch, basic management. So here I'm going to add task, design weekly tasks, use templates, and they would give us some decent template that they have in their gallery of templates. So we just have to wait a little bit, and here we go. So now we have task number 1, task number 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So basically here you simply have to give this task to someone. For example, here this week, the group, which group here, so we can search for a group, we can find the designer that's gonna do it, the priority of it, the status, brief description, let's make a beautiful banner, asset files if there's any files to be added, and a brief ID. So this is some items that you can do. So for me, I'm just gonna create something from scratch. So how I'm gonna do it, simply just click on here, new item, a new group of items. So here we go, group created successfully, view in board, as you can see here. And here are new items that has been created for us. In case you would like to create some new items, if you want to create a new widget, well, it's simply the same thing. Just click on new widget and click here. But to have a really good task management, I really like to go for something as simple as a board. So by clicking here, new board, I'm going to save it as it is. Here I'm going to just leave leads or tasks, as you can see here. And yeah, this is simply it for now. Yep, this is exactly what I want. So let's say, for example, you have a company that are basically an IT company. So we need developing team and support team, and maybe the I don't know, IT team. It's the same thing, but yeah, let's just give random names. So here, developing team, let's say develop an app for the company. Here make a good UI, and here make a good UX. For example, I'm not good at developing, so I don't have enough informations. The same thing goes for support team. Have all the problems solved, and here I don't know, make a Q&A page. So this is very important as well. And here for IT team, I don't know, make an automation for the tasks. And yeah, these are many tasks that you could give. So here inside of Monday, you can actually give each person a specific task and give it a specific, for example, conversation or description. For example, yeah, here, develop an app for the company. So basically, this is so general. What is it for? And then click on updates, and here we go. Now we can reply. For example, for our finance department, something like that, and reply. So here we go, and here you can see if anyone have seen this actual reply. So no one can now, for example, see it and tell you, oh, I didn't I didn't see your comments or didn't see your reply. Well, each time they open this, they will actually show you a notification that you have seen your reply, so they can't really dodge you or give you an excuse. The same thing goes for any other task that you have in here. You can add here a person that you wanted to be actually doing this task, and here you can add extra things. For example, text, which will be, for example, here description. We can make it as big as possible, like that. And notice, guys, whatever I do in the first table is gonna be repeated in other tables. So for example, you could give this rename table, make it for developing team, and yeah, just create new tables and make it for support team, for IT team, and keep each team with its own table, so there is no team that is going through other team task and no one is talking the others. Each team is actually has its private conversation, its private job, and their own space. Like that, every team will have a freedom to ask and manage their task with their freedom without any problems. Also, guys, there is some really good app marketplace that you can use to actually make the work easier for your team. So here you can go right here, go for the app marketplace, and you can, for example, make if you are using Teams, you can, for example, search for Microsoft Team and connect it with your account in here. Let's say, for example, that there is something that has, for example, you are using Team for connecting your members. Well, you can connect this application with Teams, and once you create a new task or anything like that, it will be sent to them via Team automatically. So you don't have to wait and like send them a message or privately, or go to the chat and send them the message. No, it's up to this integration to do every work for you, so you don't have to worry about that. And there is, of course, more than that, and this is basically just the basic on how we can use Monday for your task management. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next tutorial.